Hello everyone, Pina Colada Cat here, welcome to Fortnite. I did a little video of me playing Arena. I accidentally muted my mic. That I did say in the video is muted, no, it was muted. I'm 100% blind. Why I'm making this video is, one thing, love you Allah. What we're gonna do is do tournaments, win, get money so I can visit you. Sorry, I had my mic off with the last bit, didn't you hear me? So I can visit you, you know, and love you, yay. So, good thing, I will try, see everyone I see, I'll just try to kill them, because now 25% of players in each game, except from Arena or tournaments, would be non-players, and that is, so you're right in front of them, they're like, oh, my friend is not, let me just revive him with me staring at you like, hi. It's a pretty, my friend Charlie, he's beyond bad, no offense Charlie if you see this video, but you and Isabella need a bit of a, you know, I'll train you for a £5. That's the time I go back from school, that will be the time I won't, but you know, you can pay for it. Also a set V-Bucks as well, so if you want to come buy the master, because I will show you how fast I can build. Like that. See? Gravity control. Super speedy, 1 second, boom. I am faster than a lot of streamers, but Mongrel is nowhere near, because he's the third best. His accuracy spot on, mine is alright, spot on with the SMGs, but it's for everyone. So me on holiday with Ella, you know, love you Ella. Just haven't really like been practicing, because last time I played was my friend Tommy wanted to get Apex and it wasn't free, and apparently it is not free, but I made it my old account. It was pretty a long time ago, but I played one round, you know what, I played Fortnite, so I pretty much got kind of a free game. No, not really, but you know. Just gonna sort out the mic, not sure if I actually saw someone, but, you know, got pretty, okay. Yes, he's teaming, he's my boy. Okay, you know, I'm so sorry. That was mean. Okay, I'm bad with these ones, as the accuracies, but you know. Okay, I'm gonna run from this. Hi Charlie, I'm doing a video. How are you today? Yeah. Oh, I just come back the other day. Actually, I come back today, but also in the middle of the night. You know. Charlie, I need you to look on Instagram. Yes, you do. And also, in the video, I said you were very bad, Isabella, so I offer V-Bucks for training. And also, subscribe to Smithy Doctor's channel. You owe me that, Charlie. You sound very depressed. Yeah, of course I do. Doesn't have the battle pass, Jesus Christ. That looks like wood. I'll get metal from it. Oh, that looks like wood. Wood. No. Also, love you, Allah, if you're watching the video. As said multiple times, you know. What about that? Oh, Storm. No. Yeah, you got 5 bounties. I can do this. No, the water's making me slower. God damn it. Charlie, would you pay for training for you and Isabella for a £5? For a £5, you two can get training from the almighty Harry. You'll be better than Tommy. No, you're not. Just because Tommy has been a little bit, you know, and is hardly playing, doesn't mean, oh, you're better. I can take all 3 of you on an win, and we have, and I approved it. I got it the moment it come out, and then I was on holiday. Okay. Okay, calm down. I am going to die randomly by Storm, and Naruto Run shall save me. Spooky, sticky skeletons send shivers down your mouth. I found a bow. No. Charlie is a fox. Oh, I said a fox, not a bot. Gosh, she's a bot. She hasn't played the bloody game, even though I offered so much times. Hey, you on top. Funny. Hilarious. I'm fishing into Storm. This is gonna work. No, well, I got like at least 10 seconds extra. Please have... Yes, bandies. Oh, yeah. I will survive. Charlie. How are you and Isabella doing? And Charlie has felt depression. Again. Oh. Say hello to Kelsey for me. Stupid bitch. What's the call? Well, you remember you didn't get the Batman skin of the Dark set, so you probably could persuade your dad. What? I'm gonna kill myself. I killed myself. I got experience. Hey, let's eat all that yellow snow. Holy shit. Hey Charlie. What? Okay. Boom. Hey Charlie, you like a skin? Funny. Yeah, but do you care about... Hang on. Huh? You care about this? This? Oh. Yeah, well, fuck you.